My name is Jason, at HVAC Home Services. Today me and my son are replacing this trash with this new condenser and this new furnace. We already took out the old furnace. No, we cleaned out the return air box. Found this flat burn rat in the return air box. This is it all cleaned. This is the new furnace. This is how the new condenser is looking right now. This is the condenser, done and cleaned. This is the furnace, all done and cleaned. If you need HVAC service, call HVAC Home Services at 900-9.450-8741.